Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Excel, you can cut or copy cell data and then paste it into other cells. Cells that contain numeric or text entries can be moved wherever you want. The only trick is when you need to cut or copy formula cells. When you copy and paste formulas to a new workbook location, the formula's cell references automatically adjust to fit their new location. For example, if you typed a formula into cell H5 that added cells C5 through G5, and then copied and pasted the formula from cell H5 into cell H6, the newly copied formula then changes its cell references to add cells C6 through G6. This is an example of relative referencing. This is the default type of cell referencing that happens when copying formulas. Formulas you copy and paste automatically adjust their cell references to fit their new location. However, when you cut and paste a formula in Excel, the formula maintains its original cell references regardless of where you paste it. Therefore, its answer doesn't change because it still refers to its original cell range. This is an example of absolute referencing. When you cut and paste formulas, they will still refer to their original cells, even from their new location. Both types of referencing can be very useful depending on the type of worksheet you are trying to create. However, when creating a single formula that contains multiple cell references, a situation may also occur where you need to make some of its cell references relative references, while making other of its cell references absolute references. In this case, you can change any formula cell reference into an absolute reference by placing a $ in front of both the cell references column letter and row number. This is handy when you have a formula that contains a specific cell reference you don't want to change when you copy the formula to a new location in the workbook. For example, assume you wanted to copy a formula that adds together the 5 cells to its left and then multiplies that result by a value always stored in cell A1. If you create the reference to cell A1 in the formula as an absolute reference, meaning it's $A, $1, you can then copy and paste the formula to a new location in the workbook, where it will then add whatever 5 cells appear to its left, and then multiply that result by the value in cell A1, no matter where you paste the copy. To edit an existing formula to change its cell referencing, double-click the formula to edit it. In the actual formula, then select the cell reference to change. Then press the F4 key on your keyboard to toggle the selected cell reference between the 3 types of cell referencing available: mixed, part absolute and part relative, absolute, and relative. For example, you could toggle a reference to cell A1 relative between $A, $1 absolute, $1 mixed, or $A1 mixed, each time you press the F4 key. When you are finished, exit the formula cell.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.